Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can share your location in the Google Maps on your device. So you have to start from opening the Google Maps and then click on your profile icon. Now go to the location sharing and click share location. How you can see now you can set the time of it or just select until you turn this off. Now just select the contact that you want to send it, send your location. Sorry about it. Choose the contact, click share and share again. Add a permission, allow at the time and go back to the maps. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.